I did a little bit of Hermès shopping lately, and this is from the spring summer collection. I'm super excited to unbox everything with you guys and try on everything. Today's video is in partnership with Lily Silk. Thank you so much for sponsoring part of this video. And of course, I'm already wearing one of their beautiful shirts. This is part of their new collection as well. This is a beautiful drapey oversized shirt. I'm going for pieces that can be more transitional, that I can wear as a top on its own with some baggy jeans when it's still a bit cold out there, especially if you prefer an oversized look or if you just want a bit of variety, because I have most of my shirts that are more fitted, that are easily tucked into pants or trousers or jeans for a more proper fitted look, whereas this one I know that I can still tuck in jeans and have that relaxed look, but also wear it as a jacket on top of a little tank top in the summer. This is a shirt dress that is also slightly oversized, so it's not super fitted. It just has that flow. So comfortable and so simple and really good quality. I love that their silk are so thick and shiny, which the thicker the silk, the less prone it is to crease. Of course, even though it does crease, a little bit of steaming will take care of it. This can be the actual outfit already with a little bit of wedge sandals, and you can even belt it with a nice little designer belt, and that's the entire look, and you still look very put together. If you don't already know, Lily Silk offers more than just clothing. They do pillowcases, they do underwears now, bras, shirts, pajamas. They have beddings. It's great for your skin, it's great for your hair, it's antimicrobial, and it's a natural fiber. So right here I have their travel pillowcase in the Soothing Silk Relaxation Lily Herb. They have 3 of them, so I chose the green one in this cute little packaging, so it was rolled up in here. However, I wanted to show it to you in this form because, like I said earlier, it is a travel pillowcase. When you travel, you can just roll it up, tuck it all in, and then zip it up, and then you're good to go. You can just bring this around. I just miss traveling. So this is what it looks like. There you have it. This is the actual pillowcase that's inside out. Their standard of certification for all their silk material, 100% mulberry silk, and I have washed and used all my silk materials from Lily Silk so many times already, and it's still doing great. Highly recommend it, of course, for traveling, but I'm gonna use it at home while I can't travel yet. This shirt came in this packaging, which was really wonderful. It had ribbons on the outside. It also comes with more documentations that explains their sustainability practices, and yeah, their boxes are reusable and recyclable. The last item that I wanted to feature came in this box, and it is their newest bras. It's a one-size-fits-all bra because it has this stretchy material. It comes in 4 different colors. But when I ordered it, it was still brand new and it only came in 2 colors, and the other color that I was interested was the blue color, but it was only on pre-order. So anyway, I got the black one to try, and this one is a one-size-fits-all classic wireless silk bra. The body material is nylon and spandex, and the cup lining is silk. No wires and no uncomfortable buckles. It has detachable built-in pads. It did come with 2 extra bra paddings. There's a little slit right here where you can remove the insert. I think this bra will not only come in super handy when I travel, when I'm on the plane for long hours. Like I said, I hope we're going back to traveling very soon, but regardless, when it happens, then this will be a superb bra for traveling, even for sleeping at home. If you like to wear a bra when you sleep, it feels like you're not wearing anything. And I love wearing little bralettes or little tops, crop tops, but you know, some bras just don't look like tops, and this one does. I will have everything linked down below, as well as my coupon code. There's actually 2 coupon codes. Make sure you check out the coupons and the links down below, and have fun shopping. First item in this cute bag. So this was one of the items that I spotted that I liked, and they happen to still have one in my size. Everything was sold out. I know they'll get more trickling in, but anyway, the time that I went, they only had this one item that I was interested in that fit me, because I tried a bunch of other ones, but yeah. So this is a cute spring summer little sweater, and it has this really beautiful design. So it has this almost Gucci-esque design on the front, and the sleeves too. They're very, very cool. Black and white, of course. It's a cashmere sweater, but it is part of their spring summer collection, so it has more of a thinner cashmere. It's more like a spring cashmere, made in Italy. And I like the little embroidery in the back. Hermès only does 2 collections per year, so not a ton to choose from, but they do trickle back in throughout the season. So this was the first item that I picked up, and I really like the fit of it, and it's a really, really soft cashmere. It just says long sleeve sweater, size 36. Up next, we have a couple of boxes that came in that bag, and I don't know which one is which. So I have 2 boxes right here. And yep, they're shoe boxes. So I got 2 pairs of new shoes. This is part of their newest collection as well, the spring summer collection again. And these are definitely a bit more warm weather appropriate, which, like I said, I'm getting ready for transitional weather, working into spring, so summer. So I'll be ready when summer comes. Always exciting to get new shoes, I feel. I went from no designer shoes to so many designer shoes. And here we have, oh yeah, I know which ones these are. So these are very, very, very popular. Very hard to come by when you want to buy them. So if you're there at the right time, at the right place, then just buy them, because once they sell out, they are gone. So I was there when they just received them. So these are called the ship sandals. Very hard to pronounce names, I know. Not just because it's French, but just because, you know, just very strange sounding names. But yeah, these are the really popular dad sandals from Hermès. Mine is in the color natural, actually. So it's more brown, like a darker brown than gold, and it's a calf skin. It's also lined in leather on the insole right here. The bottom is just rubber, I think. It has this yeah, it has this H imprint on the rubber, made in Italy. And yeah, it has Hermès here on the side. And it's Velcro. I got this in a size 37, and I will say that it's a tad short for me. Like, my toes are a bit long. However, I don't think I can size up any further, because these shoes, or Hermès shoes in general, I feel that they are a bit wider. And especially these shoes, they are much wider here. So if I sized up, I feel like it would just literally fall off my feet. I hope they work out. They do have a bit of weight to them, and so these will be my test pair, I suppose. But I thought if I didn't buy them, they will be gone next time. And I like the color. It's neutral, and it's a pair of dad sandals. So, you know, it'll be really handy to just slip in and go during the summer, spring season. I'll try this out with my Lily Silk dress shirt. I think it will look really, really cool together. Just a very casual vibe. So yeah, that's my first pair. I'll definitely have to report back on how comfortable they are. I usually am a 37.5, but I went with a 37 because otherwise I think the actual shoe will be too big. So because these are open toe shoes, I think it's okay, but we shall see. And then up next, another pair of shoes, of course, for the spring and the summer again. And it says right here, Liège, which stands for cork, those of you who are not French speakers. And these are so cool. These, the moment I saw them, I was like, I need to have them, because they remind me of shoes that I used to buy back in the 90s, back when I was in high school, and I love these kinds of very, very high platform sandals. Aren't they cool? I mean, I think they're cool. They're very sort of retro and just it's a very simple design, but it works, right? It's just one of those things where you like it, you like it. So again, don't know how comfortable they are gonna be because they are a bit heavy, but design wise they're just very simple and clean, and I love a good color, white, very crisp and very summery, very spring. And it's made of cork on the bottom, hence liège, the little pamphlet. And yeah, it's made of calf skin. This calf skin is not as soft. It's quite thick actually. It's stamped Hermès right here. The bottom is also oh, it's made in Spain. Hermès, made in Spain. These shoes were called the Easy 30 from what I remember. And yeah, let's try everything on. Here's look number 1. I love this shirt because it's so casual. I love the rounded hem here. It's very drapey, very nice and super casual. You can easily wear some chinos or some you know, kind of more baggy shorts and just head out like this, just super casual, wear some jewelry. I styled it with my small classic flap. And yeah, this is the whole look with the new shoes. So these are the Easy 30. They are great. I love the platform. It gives me height, but it's easy to walk in. I got a size 37 and they are the right length for me, so I will say that these are pretty good. They only come in full sizes anyway, so I love the white color. Like I said, you can wear this shirt open just like a little jacket. Really cute for the summer. And you can wear the bra underneath like a little bralette top. It's actually really comfortable and really great as a bralette top. And this could be one of your summer looks, and easygoing. The oversized long shirt dress, and again it has that same beautiful hem. Of course, I cinched it in with my Chanel belt, otherwise it'll just be really flowy. You could wear it as a jacket as well. Paired it with my Hermès picotin. And also these new sandals. As you can see, the size 37 just fits, like, you know, my foot does fit into the inside of these sandals since they are wide enough from the front. So yeah, they feel good for now. So we'll see over the long term. And of course, last but not least, this beautiful sweater, which has this really intricate, beautiful design. I just half tucked it in the front. It is busy in a really beautiful way. It's sort of busy in a very intricate and just very thought out, very well thought out way. And it's just so beautiful. You can wear it with skinny jeans. You can wear it with a cute little flowy skirt. So many ways to style this beautiful top. It's just one of the most amazing designs. And again, I did take a size 36. It fits quite well. Lots of room here in the tummy area, and just slightly, no, I think it's the right length for the sleeves even. Of course, if you didn't half tuck like I did, you can also just wear it full length. It is a fitted shirt because it's not too long. It just kind of sits right here at the hip level. So even if you don't tuck it in, it's super cute. Looks really good alone with some skinny jeans and just a nice bag and heels, and you're good to go. So that's it for today's luxury unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know which are your favorite items, and let me know if you own these shoes as well, whether they are comfortable for you. I know everyone's different and everyone's anatomy, feet, everything is different, but still, I'd like to know. Thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love to have you back. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can further support me by becoming a channel member where you get more exclusive content. Have a great day or week ahead of you, and I'll talk to you guys again very soon. Bye.